Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss capacitance for 12th class physics. Okay, what is capacitance? Capacitance means here we can discuss capacitance in terms of electrostatics. So, in terms of charge, now we can say capacitance, the capacity to hold the charge, is called capacitance. Means capacity to hold charge is called capacitance. Suppose we have an object, this net charge on the object is 0. Net charge is 0. Therefore potential on the surface on the object is also 0. When net charge is 0, then potential on the surface is 0. Okay, but we provide some charge to the substance. Suppose we provide charge Q, then the potential developed on the surface of the body is V. So we can say charge Q is directly proportional to potential difference V. Charge Q is directly proportional to potential difference V. When we remove this proportionality sign, we can write C into V, where C is called capacitance. This is called capacitance. That means this is called capacity to hold the charge, where C is called constant, and it is constant, and it is also known as capacitance. Capacitance of the object. This capacitance is depend on shape or size, shape and size of the body, and it is also depend on the medium surrounding to the surface or object. Okay, medium surrounding to the surface or the object, and it is also dependent on shape and size. It is called capacitance, and here we can define definition. What is the definition of capacitance? So we can write here Q by V. It means if V is equals to 1 volt, that means if we produce 1 volt on the surface of a body, if we produce 1 volt on the surface of body, then total charge given to the object which produce 1 volt on the surface is known as capacitance of the object of the body. I repeat, the total charge given the object when potential developed on the surface is 1 volt, that amount of charge is known as capacitance of the object. Here it is definition. Or in another definition, if Q is equals to 1 coulomb, V equals to 1 volt, then C is equals to 1 farad. 1 farad. Farad, I mean to say it is 1 farad or 1 farad. Means 1 farad is equals to 1 coulomb upon 1 volt. It means when we provide 1 coulomb charge of a surface and potential developed on the surface is 1 volt, so we can say the capacitance of the object is 1 farad or 1 farad. So the unit of capacitance is unit of C is either 1 or farad or coulomb volt inverse. or Coulomb volt inverse or 1 farad. Okay, right? Now we move on the topic how we can say capacitance depend on shape and size and depend on the medium surrounding the surface. One thing is here, capacitance is a very big unit, means farad is a very big unit. After some time I will prove that why capacitance farad is a very big unit. Okay, so first of all we have to discuss how we can say capacitance depend on shape and size. Suppose we have a spherical sphere or shell. It is a uniformly charged spherical shell. That's why total charge situated surrounding the surface. In previous classes, I had explained how potential on the surface. Suppose the radius of the sphere is r, then the potential on the surface is, if total charge on the outer surface of the body, then potential at the surface of a body is kq by r or q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. Okay, and we know according to this formula q is equals to c into v here. So we can put the value of v, we can write here c and put the value of v. V is equals to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. Okay, so this q to this q cancel. Now c equals to, c is equals to 4 pi epsilon naught r. Okay, that's why we can say here is it is. Here is it. It is c is depend on directly proportional to r when this value is constant. If this is for the vacuum, if medium is another medium in substitution of air, so we can say new capacitance C dash equals to 4 pi epsilon naught capital K R, because in previous class I had explained C epsilon R equals to epsilon naught into capital K. Epsilon equals to epsilon naught into capital K. K is a dielectric constant, or epsilon equals to epsilon naught into epsilon R, right? So we can put the value of, the formula is C dash equals to 4 pi epsilon R. So we can put the value of epsilon, we can write it epsilon naught into K. Okay, so we can say C dash is also depend on dielectric constant K. That's why C equals to C into K. That means C dash upon C is equals to capital K. When we increase the medium, capacitance K is always greater than 1, so C dash is greater than C. That means the capacitance in medium is greater than capacitance in vacuum or air. But in previous classes, electric field, electric force and electric potential are decreases when we increase the medium, and they are maximum in air or vacuum. But here capacitance is minimum in air or vacuum, and when we increase the medium, the capacitance will decreases. Okay, sorry, when we increase the medium, capacitance increases, and it is a minimum in air or vacuum. First case, that's why we can say it is depend on the medium. And for another case, C is directly proportional to R, so we can say capacitance is depend on radius of the sphere, so it is depend on shape and size. Okay, and how we can say capacitance of farad is a very big unit. So suppose we can calculate the capacitance of earth. So how we can calculate the capacitance of earth? Capacitance of earth. So we can find formula C is equals to 4 pi epsilon naught R. So capacitance of earth we can find C equal 4 pi epsilon naught, we can write 1 upon 9 into 10 to the power 9, because surrounding the air, surrounding the earth, the main medium is air, so we can write this formula R by K also, small k, and K is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. For air or vacuum it is equals to 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. Okay, so we can put here, and radius of earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Now we can calculate, we get 6.4 divided by 9 into 10 to the power minus 3. So C equals to 0.71. 0.71 into 10 to the power minus 3 farad. So the capacitance of earth is this, and suppose we get the value of 1 farad. So 1 farad equals to 1 upon 0.71 into 10 to the power minus 3, and this is almost equals to, when we divide, near about it is equals to 1400 something approx. Now the capacitance of one earth is this, so we can say if 1000 or approximately 1400 earth joined together and the form how big body, then the capacitance of the body is 1 farad. That's why we can say capacitance is a very big unit. Okay, so in general we can use their smallest unit. So 1 microfarad, 1 picofarad, or 1 nanofarad. 1 microfarad equals to minus 6 farad, 1 picofarad equals to minus 12 farad, or it is also known as microfarad, and 1 nanofarad equals to 10 to minus 9 farad. Okay, this is the introduction class of capacitance. And I think for today's class that is over, and in next class we have to discuss on another topic. Till then, thank you very much.